birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shine. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Shine. Love you. God bless. Yeah, happy birthday to you.
Hi Shine, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi, Shine! Happy birthday!
Hi Shine, happy birthday. Hope na sana pumangkat ka na, tsaka bumait ka na ng konti. Charot na. Yun na, love you. Happy birthday, Ate Shine. Sana miss mo lang. Oh my God. Baka naman malimit ka naman sa akin. Happy birthday, Ate Shine.
Happy birthday, Shine.
Hi, girl! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Shine.
Hi, Shine. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Shine.
Hi, Ate Shine. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Shine. Sana masarap ka pa.
Happy birthday, Shine.
Happy birthday, Ate Shine! Sorry!
Hi Shine, happy birthday. Sana matupad mo na yung pangarap mo and then sana lumaki ka na.
Happy Shine, happiest birthday to you. I wish for you is good health and I hope you achieve all your dreams and lahat ng planning ng mga mutiranan in the future is matupad. And more love and blessings to come. Ingat po kayo palagi. More takas and road trip to come. I hope na mas maging mag-close ba tayo ni Shine. Yun lang. Love you, Ate.
Happy birthday siya, so sana bumait ka na. But in all seriousness, I'm thankful sa mga tinuro mo sa akin. Sa unexpected friendship na meron ka. So I hope na makatuto na kita. And see you soon. Love you. Sana may I love you to na ako.
Hi Shine, happiest birthday to you. I wish you all the best, Beb. And sana masaya ka dyan sa Open Canal. OA. Pero ayun na nga. Long live and stay healthy. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday celebration mo mamaya-maya or sa mga susunod na araw. Okay na guys.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Baby Shine.
Happy birthday to you.
Lord, happy birthday
to you.
Hindi ko alam ano sasabihin ko.
Happy birthday to you.
Ayun. Happy birthday. I miss you talaga.
Happy birthday to
See you soon? Soon na ba?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Babaan na lang. Birthday to you. Shine, I miss you. So, alam ko naman na namimiss mo ako. Charis. Hindi na ako nakapagpaalam sa'yo. Kasi nakapigilan mo ako. Joke lang. So, yun, good luck sa near future. Alam ko naman na lagi mong ginagawa yung best mo. So, yun nga. Alam ko naman din na blessed ka na talaga. Wala kang hihilingin pang iba. Andiyan na si Renan. So, family mo. Nandito pa ako. Ang ganda mong mami. Charot. So, yun. Love na love kita. So, see you soon na lang. Yan. I love you. Happy birthday. Birthday man kita. Birthday ng mga matataray pero mabait. Charis. See you soon. Love you.